Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to use ModScan to capture the data from the energy meter over our S485.H. We are using Schneider Electric's Energy Meter EM1200. You can download ModScan software from this site. This is Energy Meter EM1200. The backside has the connection terminals for three-phase currents and voltage inputs. This is the auxiliary supply input to power up the device. This is the RS485 port. So we need the TTL to our S485 converter to capture the data on PC or laptop. This is the RS485 converter we are using. We will also need the TTL to USB RS232 converter. This is the setup we are using. I have already downloaded the ModScan 32 software. We start the application by clicking on ModScan 32 application file. Enter name as test. Then click OK. Remember, this is the evaluation version. This is the UI for ModScan application. This is slave device ID. This is the register address. This is data length to be retrieved from the slave. These are the Modbus point types of the register types. We choose holding register. This window shows the number of polls done and slave response, which we can reset. User manual shows the baud rate as 19200 parity even and stop bit 1. Use these settings in ModScan. Click here on connection menu and set the communication parameters as shown. Now the port is connected and ready for communication. We will set the data address as per manual. We will use current value address to retrieve average. Current data. Enter the address here and also set length as 2. Now connect. Set display option as show data. It seems address set is wrong. Correct the to 3057. Now the current value shown is 0 as no input is connected. Now set display option as show traffic. Now we can see the command sent by ModScan and response from the slave, which is highlighted. The response shows current value as 0. Now we will set the address as 27 and check the model number. The data shows the model number as 194 hex, which is 404 decimal. We will try other addresses as well. Now check the version value as V01.02.02. That's it for today. In this video, we have seen how to use ModScan application and captured the data from Energy Meter. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, then please hit like button. Share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a good time.